My division is a rather unique one within the DTRA. It's interesting. You're going to hear a lot of the other divisions talk about program management. They take the funds for the Chem Bio Research Program and distribute them to do very important work, research out there. This is a critical role. My division takes a slightly different approach. We hire the scientists that are going to go out and do some of this research, working in the different Department of Defense laboratories. So I'm hiring in microbiologists, chemists, chemical engineers, bioinformaticians, and they work in the different labs. So, and this is the goal of the division. And part of our missions is to develop the next generation of DoD scientists. So DoD scientists are always retiring. So we're bringing in, and my arrangement with everyone is come in and bring in the science that you've learned, the new techniques that you have, and come to the government, to the DoD, and we'll teach you how research is done within the government and then within the chemical and biological defense program. I'm excited about a couple of things for our division as a whole. We're expanding a little bit. We're going into there are a variety of other DoD labs that have been coming in and saying, we'd like some people. We'd like you to loan us some people. We'd like extra people to work in our labs. That's going to expand our approach. We're going to be able to work on a variety of other projects. I've told you things that are mainly biology related right now. We also have a bunch of chemistry related stuff. Metal organic frameworks, or MOFs is the technical term for it. Just a type of chemical that can be developed and used in a variety of ways. Can't even go over all of them. Detection of bacteria or chemicals, they can protect against them. What I'm most excited about is the broadening of the possibilities out there. Different areas that we can get people in, and that allows me to find people with other skill sets, other experience that they can bring in. I'm always looking to expand the Department of Defense's research capabilities. The main priority, and this is a priority throughout DTRA and the Joint Science Technology Office, of which we are a part, innovative research and research that brings products to the market or to the soldier. The goal of all of us is to develop new products to protect the soldier and also civilians. Same products are going to protect on both sides. We can do this in a variety of ways, developing a product, doing research to gather more information so we understand more about a bacteria that might be causing a problem or a chemical that might be used as a weapon. What can we learn about them so we can develop another way of defending the soldiers against it, whether it's better suits or boots, whether it's a vaccine, whether it's a new medical countermeasure, a drug of some kind. So very interested and excited about the different possibilities there are to moving this whole area ahead. We are associated with a variety of projects. So, for instance, I already mentioned bioinformatics. Most people know this or would from COVID that we've been dealing with for the past 2 or 3 years. You hear all about the variants and subvariants. That is, in a nutshell, bioinformatics. You have scientists going in and looking at the COVID RNA, sequencing it, and then assigning it to a subvariant or variant. And that's what you see in the papers. Oh, this variant there's more of it out there now. This one's going down. That is one use of it. And our folks were working on that also because COVID was a problem in the different military bases. That same approach can be used. We isolate and identify new viruses, and in many cases get to name them because they are unique. Just from samples that are submitted to different labs that we work in. So bioinformatics, exciting area, combination of biology and computer science. Another area of interest, you've read in the papers about labs are trying to develop a artificial liver, something that we can put into humans, and instead of looking for transplant livers, of which there's always a short supply. To do that, you need to develop liver cells, be able to grow them, and be able to use them, keep them alive, and able to metabolize. We have labs working on that. Fascinating, because it fits in with the Department of Defense, some of our research, because we need to know what happens in the human body when chemicals or biological agents go in. Chemicals especially affect the liver. The liver is the place where things are metabolized, broken down, and rendered safe. So if we can take liver cells, the same ones that are going to go into the artificial livers, but we put them just in culture and expose them to chemicals, what happens? That gives us an idea of what will happen in the human body. Another way of gathering information to understand what future products we could develop. We also help the military academies, West Point, the Naval Academy, Air Force Academy, carry out research projects and allow the cadets and midshipmen the chance to work on hands-on on research projects. Now, these are the cadets and midshipmen aren't going to go into a research career right away. The military has got plans for them already, but it gives them the right idea when somebody tells them the Chem Bio Defense Program is developing products to protect you, to save you from exposure to these different agents. They've worked in the lab, they've gotten a little experience, they understand what's being talked about, what it means to develop a product, and what it means to take it forward, get an idea how to do research. So another piece of the division that's critical and plays a large role going forward. We always have positions open. One of the reasons is we bring in people, and the government likes to hire them back and promote them. So the government, the DoD, uses many of our people as on a trial basis. How do they work? How are they going to fit in? We put them in a variety of different labs, and so there's a good amount of turnover right now. Hiring a bioinformatician, hiring a microbiologist, and a chemist. You will see, anytime you want to know the jobs that are available, you just have to go onto usajobs.gov, and all of the Defense Threat Reduction Agency positions, including from the CBR division, are listed there.